Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we're gonna open this. Let's hope we get the secret. Oh, okay guys.
There is. Yan na yun.
Wait, there's two secrets. Let's read them.
You don't want just the secret. What else other than the secret?
Nah, this is my first time. So this is my first time, and I feel like we're gonna try this. What's your hand shaking? Okay, wait, I think
Hindi ganyan. Ganito.
what you said me. Never mind.
Ganito.
Never mind. I don't want to make an object. What? Oh. Okay, we opened it. I asked my
Don't
sister.
open it. You have to look at the checklist first, diba?
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Wait.
Checklist.
Look at the checklist. Oh,
Checklist.
look oh.
Oh.
May bring you happy.
It might be. Guys, look. There's something.
Which one do you want there?
The secret.
That's it? What about, not just the secret, what do you want in the non-secret?
I would like the lion.
They're all lions.
The bows. So we're gonna. Let's hope I get something like
Close
great.
your eyes. So you
Okay.
can open it.
I'm gonna close it. And 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! Ow!
Parang nilagay mo dun sa ano. Pwede ba yun?
Okay.
Dun sa
Oh, close your eyes lang.
Yan.
Original.
Ayun sana yung din.
What did I get?
Thank you.
Oh,
Meron yan
is this a secret box?
first din yung
No,
pinakabit.
that is the
Oh.
rose, lion,
Yung glow
yellow.
in the dark yun.
Switzky.
Ah.
Ano sa'yo, yung
Oh.
the yellow
Nakakita ko
one.
ng ganyan sa TikTok. May mga damit pa nga sila. Tapos pakpak. Parang bakit yan.
Oh, he may bring you happiness. It means these are boys too.
Ang nag-vlog pala ikaw.
These are boys. Okay. Okay, it said he may bring you happiness, but
Hindi, kahit yan lang muna.
it's actually a boy.
Para siguro lagyan mo lang ng alarm.
I don't know. I also don't know.
Tatagitan na.
Okay, this is my big sisters. You wanna see? Look
Sa
at them.
dalawang bintana ka?
One of them is the toilet, right? One of them is like yeah, that's the toilet one. That's the toilet version. That's is that the original? Yeah, for the phone, that's her phone. See, she also want that. Yeah. Okay, guys, video's gonna end. So bye.